Pan de Muerto, a traditional Mexican bread. Pan de Muerto is a traditional Mexican bread that is eaten during the Day of the Dead, a holiday that celebrates the lives of loved ones who have passed away. The bread is shaped like a skull or a bone, and it is decorated with sugar skulls, flowers, and other festive decorations. Pan de Muerto has a long history that dates back to the pre-Hispanic era. The indigenous people of Mexico believed that food was an important part of the afterlife, and they would offer bread and other foods to their dead loved ones. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, they introduced their own baking techniques and ingredients to Mexico, which helped to shape Pan de Muerto into what it is today. Sugar is added for sweetness. Pan de Muerto is traditionally eaten as part of a Day of the Dead ofrenda, or offering. The bread is often served with coffee, hot chocolate, or other beverages. Pan de Muerto is not only a delicious bread, but it is also an important part of Mexican culture. It is a way for people to connect with their heritage and to celebrate the lives of their loved ones. Pan de Muerto is a delicious and traditional Mexican bread that is enjoyed by people all over the world. It is a reminder of the importance of family and community, and it is a way to honor loved ones who have passed away. If you're looking for a delicious and authentic Mexican bread, be sure to try Pan de Muerto. You can find it at most Mexican bakeries during the Day of the Dead. Thanks for watching.